Say welcome to High and Life, High and Healed. High and Healed. Welcome to High and Life. Anyways, welcome to High and Life, High and Healed with me, Terry, and Pierre. Pierre, say hi. Say bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Anyways, bye from him, but hello from me.
Welcome to High and Life. So today, I'm going to teach you what it means by making it rain. To make it rain, you gotta have the money for it. The brand new dollars, smell like money, smell like good. Yeah, you gotta make it rain. This is how you make it rain. This is a lesson to learn. In the process. We're gonna make it rain. Here, where's my money? Daddy, where? That's like, come on. We're gonna make it rain. Ready. Man, you know what? You know what's better than making it rain? You gotta do this. Ready? Yeah. Make it hell! Quarters. Yeah. That's how we do it.
We make it rain. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at that. Woo.